In front of me is HONOR Magic8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Start by opening Clock app that's already on your HONOR and hitting Alarm at the bottom left corner. Now to create a new one, use blue plus icon. Following that, set up an hour at the top and either click on calendar icon here to pick a date where you want for your alarm to ring and hit OK, or select the days of the week manually by tapping on them here. Now select sound, hit vibration at the top and decide if you want to disable them by hitting none. Apply one of those patterns, or hit standard. Go back and to listen to any song here, tap on it on the left. To set it up, tap on apply on the right. If you want to pick any song from your smartphone, hit music on device and tap on apply right next to it. Go back. Choose label and name your alarm however you want to, if you want to. Then choose OK. Now hit ring duration to decide how many minutes your alarm will ring if you don't react. Select snooze duration and decide how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat. Then hit OK in the pop-up. Now to save your alarm, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and pick whatever you want to in the pop-up. You can turn it back on the same way. To get rid of it, click on it, tap on delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To edit it, click on it, make your changes, and tap on the check mark at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!